guys.
Good morning, guys, and Merry Christmas to everyone.
Merry Christmas.
And today, since it's a special day, so I'm gonna make a special
Santa Claus
dessert.
is gonna give me. Santa gonna give me that like a present.
Yeah, so we're gonna make a special dessert, and it is an Indian dessert, and they call it Jagar ka Halwa. So it's made of carrots, and it's a healthy dessert. And this is my first time to make this because my husband requested one. So okay, let's try. I hope it will be successful. So now I'll show you our ingredients. These are the ingredients that we require for the Jagar ka Halwa. So for this, we require chopped of walnuts. But if you have dried fruits, that's also good. And I have here 1 kg of grated carrots. So this is the carrots I have. And we need some sugar. This is about 3 tablespoons of sugar. Okay, and this is 1 1/4 cup of milk. And of course, we need this is a pure ghee. I'm using vegetable one, but there is also cow one. So I'm just using the vegetables. And we need the cinnamon, no, sorry. This is a cardamom powder. This is cardamom powder, as you can see. Cardamom powder. So now let's get started, and our pan is ready. Put the pure ghee, which is about 3 tablespoons of pure ghee. So have to put this, and that's enough. Just melt this one first. And now our pure ghee is melted. Now we have to add our carrots. And then for this, let's cook our carrots for about 30 minutes in a medium flame. Because as you know, carrots leaves water, so the water should evaporate. Yes, the water should evaporate before we put our milk in it. So now we have to make sure that guys, that you have to stir this in between so it doesn't get burned on the bottom. So now just leave it like this. And now, this is already been cooking for 20 minutes. Now it's time to put our milk. Just pour it in. And then we have to cover this, and we have to cook for another 20 minutes in a medium flame. So we have to cover this time. And then again, we have to stir this in between so it doesn't burn on the bottom. Okay, so just cover this, cook for 20 minutes. Now the 20 minutes has been over. So as you can see, the milk has dried up. So now it's time to put our other ingredients, which walnuts. You can put our walnuts. I have this cardamom powder. We just have to put a garnish of it, just a pinch, because it has a strong smell. So just put a little bit of this, not too much. And of course, our sugar. And then we have to mix this. If you want sweet, you can add more sugar. But for me, I don't want to, I just have to put less sugar. I don't want too much sweet.
I got Barbies anyway.
Yeah, Isabella got the Barbie. Show your Barbie. Where's your Barbie?
Okay.
And now again, we have to cook this for 20 minutes. And we have to check in between, yeah?
Look, sorry for the message because we can't find the other strawberries. One of them has curls and one of them has straight hair. And look at the secret I want to show you. This bolted. Okay. Bye-bye. You that sugar with me. No, that's less, right?
So very nice color. Now it has been cooking for 15 minutes. Now in a slow flame. Now we have to do it in a high flame for 5 minutes. And another 5 minutes more.
Hi, guys.
This is really delicious. Normally I like halwa. And then I'm gonna put 1 scoop of ice cream on the top of my halwa. And it's really, really nice.
I'm on the floor with a giant umbrella. I killed a giant umbrella. I think it's 200 feet tall.
What is that doll?
My umbrella. Look at that.
Yes.
My umbrella.
So and now this is finished now. Oh, very nice. So as you can see, the color is very nice. And this is how it become. This is 1 kg. So look at how it become less after cooking it. So anyway, so we have to have it. Nice.
Santa gave me money. Oh, I got coins too.
She got the real money Santa gave to her today, last night. Don't put in the mouth. It's dirty.
I didn't even put it. I'll let us pretend. Look. Wait.
What you'll buy with your money?
Like toys and some. What do you call that? Some fruits and vegetables. And
So you're gonna buy fruits and vegetables with your money?
Yeah.
Wow. So you want something healthy to buy, yeah? These are halwa. Very nice. As you can see, nice color as well. Very nice. And then on the top of this, I'm gonna put a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Please give us a thumbs up if you like this recipe, and please subscribe if you haven't yet, so you will be notified every time we have the new uploads.
Hit the thumbs up so you won't miss any videos we upload.
Yes, and this is the recipe that I could able to share with you. This is also a healthy Indian dessert. It's made of carrots and walnuts and milk. And I hope to see you to our next one. Bye!